Storms. Friday, northwest winds 10 knots, becoming east. Waves 1 foot. Winds and waves higher and in near thunderstorms. At Chesapeake Bay at Colchester, high tide is at 10:20 a.m. Monday, 11:01 p.m. Monday, and 10:56 a.m. Tuesday. Low tide is at 4:37 p.m. Monday and 5:28 a.m. Tuesday. At Chesapeake Bay at Annapolis, high tide is. Low tide is. At Chesapeake Bay at Cambridge, high tide is at 7:59 p.m. Monday and 8:10 a.m. Tuesday. Low tide is at 2:03 p.m. Monday and 2:32 a.m. Tuesday.
The current time is 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect through late Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Mercer, Northwestern, Burlington, and Salem; in southeast Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Through late Tuesday night, general rainfall of 2 to 4 inches is expected by daybreak Wednesday in the Interstate 95 corridor from near Trenton through the Philadelphia metro area into northern Delaware. For now, the primary flood threat is for small streams and poor drainage areas. Bands of heavy showers with embedded thunderstorms can easily produce 1 to 2 inches of rain in an hour's time. If a band of heavy showers lingers, excessive rainfall would result in flooding of small streams and in poor drainage areas. The heavy showers and isolated embedded thunderstorms moving northward through the area this afternoon and evening should quit for a time, but then may start again by daybreak. The larger scale outbreak of heavy rains should develop sometime Tuesday afternoon and last intermittently into Wednesday morning as a weak front moves eastward through Pennsylvania. There already have been about reports of more than 3 inches of rain today in parts of southeast Pennsylvania and northern Delaware. This resulted in isolated flooding of small streams and poor drainage areas. Larger scale flood events are possible by Wednesday morning. Isolated storm totals between 4 p.m. this afternoon and 6 a.m. Wednesday may approach 6 inches. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.